Are you good on time, or are you going to come in here?
I'm good.
Okay, I'm going to go up. Okay, taxiing out. I'll be up and out quick. Okay, take it off.
China cleared.
You okay?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Gear up, flaps up.
I'm nervous because I stuffed one this morning.
Oh, yeah.
Time in several months, and I just drilled one in with absolutely no excuse.
Ah.
Just flew it into the ground.
Oh, that's not good. You're doing the right thing, though. Keep flying.
Yeah, there's no way I was going to pack up and go home on
Yeah.
that. Get them up in the air and fly.
Yeah.
I knew what I did wrong right away. It was too late to correct it.
Yeah.
I guess the breeze caught it and pushed me to the left, and I thought it pushed right.
Oh, it
So
pushed
I
the wrong way.
corrected left.
Corrected
No.
the wrong, or the right way or the wrong way, or.
Stuffed it right.
All right, come on in. Most important thing, keep flying.
Oh yeah. Well, not my first crash, definitely won't be the last.
Yeah.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Just happened to have a run there for a few months without doing it. So
Yeah.
I got spoiled.
I'm doing a low pass from the right.
Okay. Push them out.
Oh, you're good. I see where you are. Just letting you know.
Yep, no, that's good.
Don't like surprises. No sneak passes.
The little P-51 looks cool, but it's not a rocket.
No, all that matters is you enjoy flying it.
I do. It's that brand new Arrows RC.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, those are good. Those are good.
Yeah, I couldn't find anyone that had one. I heard that they're the 11 hobby.
It's 11 hobby, yeah.
We bought.
It's an 11 hobby plane, and
Yeah,
they fly
somebody
wonderful.
Said, well, those were good. If that's true, you know, it'll fly. So,
They fly wonderful.
Yeah, I've heard P-51s are just notorious for being bad flyers, and this thing is just so clean and so smooth.
Yeah, yeah. They're great little planes.
Yeah.
I had the 11 Hobbies Bearcat.
Oh yes.
Yeah, they sent me one to review.
Oh nice.
So it was one of my favorite planes.
Yeah, Arrows brought that back out as well.
Yeah, they changed the scheme, but it's the same plane.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's what I heard about this. Is it's
Yeah.
the old 11 Hobby P-51 with different paint jobs.
Yeah, great planes. Really good planes.
I was worried, but man, it's clean.
And they're really forgiving.
Yeah.
Time remaining 1
Yeah, first
minute.
time I went to raise the gear, I hit throttle cut instead. It's my first plane with retract.
Oh, okay.
And it started slowing down, and it found it weird. And it's like, oh no, I just zeroed the throttle.
Bring it back.
Yeah, put it back. It pulled right out, flew away like nothing was wrong. Very forgiving airplane. Okay, landing from the right.
Come on in. Oh, weird thermal going on up there.
Runway's clear.
All right. I'm gonna be doing a touch and go here.
Gear down. Takeoff flaps.
one more pass, then I'm coming in.
Gear down. 1 minute over. Landing flaps.
Okay, landing from the right.
Be safer out here.
Woo!
Look pretty good.
Yeah, we've got some thermals coming through.
Yeah, mine kind of popped a little bit right there too before.
Yeah. Alrighty, all yours.